Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app and click on it. Now select Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on this red button right away to start my recording. If you wish to, you can pause it or unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you decide to pause it, you can always tap on Add a title over here and name your recording however you wish to. Then choose Add Location and click on Settings if you see this kind of pop-up. Now you need to click on Permissions, tap on Location and choose Ask Every Time or Allow Only while using. When you're ready, select the back button three times and then tap on Add Location once again. Now click on while using the app or only this time and unpause the recording. If you want to, you can switch from audio to transcript by clicking on one of those options. Then, in order to delete your recording right away, choose Delete over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. And in order to end it and save it, click on Save right here. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. In order to play it, click on it. In order to delete it though, go back, hold it, select the spin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!